Hi, Click Millionaires. It's great to see you. I hope that your week is off to a great start. I'm back with another Ask Scott Fox question. This one from Click Millionaire Todd. He has a question about outsourcing that I want to help him and hopefully you with too. Todd writes to me and he asks, "Dear Scott, I'm a new subscriber to Click Millionaires and I've wanted to ask you a question that's been bothering me. I have spent the last 2 months working with a developer to build a new website for my business. Here's my problem. I'm not a web developer myself. Sure, I got my basic site up, but it still isn't how I would like it to look. The new site is Drupal based, and I know nothing about that. My skills are in the idea, not in the technical execution. So I've been working with these developers, but they irk me. There is a $1,000 training class that could teach me the basics about Drupal, but I'm not sure if it's better to invest $1,000 in learning or to spend that money on using a developer on an outsourced basis. What do you think? Thanks, Todd from Denver, Colorado." Well, Todd, it's a good question. It's one that faces almost all of us who have the courage to start a business of our own. When you venture into the technical wilds of the internet, you're suddenly confronted with this idea that you can do almost anything yourself. Now, I do recommend doing as much as possible yourself so that you can manage it and understand how it works and get the most cost-effective deals as your site grows. But first of all, let's talk about outsourcing and that $1,000 that you have burning a hole in your pocket. I think that you do need to learn something about how websites are built, but I don't think that you need to step up and spend a whole $1,000 on becoming a master of Drupal yourself. For those that don't know, Drupal is a coding language that you can build websites in. That's the sort of technical expertise that I like to leave to the professionals. You're starting your new business, Todd, because you're good at something. You have a real affection for it. You have expertise, and it's something that you've chosen to pursue on your own time, on your own dime, with the hopes that it's going to make you a nice living. I wouldn't step away from all that to start a new path, which is learning how to become a technical expert. There are lots of technical experts in this world, and in fact, they are more common than folks like you who have a good idea and are motivated to make it happen. It's that good idea and the motivation to make it happen that can differentiate you and help you become truly a Click Millionaire. So to give up on the skills that you have in order to replicate the skills that somebody else already has and is willing to give you for a price, I think would be a mistake. I wouldn't go too far learning about Drupal or anything else that's technical, and instead I would focus on the things that you need to do to build your business, building on your own skills and techniques that brought you to this idea to start this website. So, more specifically, how about taking that $1,000 and instead of spending it all on learning Drupal, how about spending 10 or 20% of it to take a short course to give you the overview, to learn the principles behind good website development? Or maybe even just buying a Websites for Dummies book so that you can understand the fundamental principles that those developers would be working with. Why would you take this approach instead? Well, because I'd like you to look at the internet as a tool. The website is just a tool for you. You want to learn how to manage this tool most effectively, just as if it were a team of employees, because that's what a website is. It's an employee. It's doing the work for you of presenting your business to the world. So look at a developer and find a developer that you like, and I like sites like elance.com or Odesk or freelancer.com. You can find ratings of different developers and see examples of different projects they've worked on. Go ahead and contact a few of those, find one you like, and learn just enough along the way so that you can manage them effectively. That's my real goal for you here, Todd, is to stop being an employee but don't build yourself a new job that you don't like and you're not qualified for. After all, being a Click Millionaire is about pursuing your own dreams, doing something you like. Creating another 9 to 5 or 9 to 9 that is even harder and in a field that you don't like isn't my goal for you and probably not the one you want either. Spending a bit of time to learn the basic principles so that you can manage other resources effectively is what CEOs do. And that's what you are now, Todd. You're the CEO of your own business, just like you are the CEO of your life. So I'd learn enough of the technical skills you need, but save the bulk of your money for outsourcing this project. The technical help you need is available, and there's lots of folks online who'd be happy to help you. If you don't like the developer you have, check out those resources, those websites I just mentioned, and find a new one. There's lots of folks that know how to build websites these days, and frankly, I'm not sure that Drupal is even the right answer for you. There are lots of different coding schemes and platforms, and you'll want to find out the best one for you in your particular situation, not just because it's the one that the developer you found likes the best. best. So if that's helpful to you, Todd, I hope it is. Come on back into the Click Millionaires forum at clickmillionaires.com, and we'll answer some of your more detailed questions about finding the best developers, what programming languages might be most effective for you, and how to mix the blog and the website content that you've been talking about to help build your business into a profitable one as soon as possible. I hope that's helpful to you. I look forward to having you oversee the strategy, the things you like to do, and most especially the profits instead of the technical aspects of your business. Thanks for writing, Todd, and welcome to clickmillionaires.com. Well, I've got you, folks. Welcome to our other new clickmillionaires.com members this week. We've got Emmett from Austin, Texas, Kenneth from Lyman, South Carolina, Derek from Washington, D.C., Renee from Richmond, Virginia, and, of course, our friend Todd from Denver, Colorado. Congratulations to Click Millionaire Eva. She was the winner of last week's video contest. She was able to guess where is Scott Fox when I shot that last week's update video on my vacation, and she's right. I was in Balboa Park in San Diego with my family. So congratulations to you, Eva. You can send me an email, and I'll send you any of the PDFs that you can find at scottfoxshop.com for a download. We also have this week's video winner, and if you're watching this week, Cora, clickmillionaires.com member Cora from Buffalo, New York is this week's winner, so you can send me an email too, Cora, and I'll send you a free one of my special reports as well. Also this week, I'd like to point out to you, have you checked out the classified section in the forum yet? You know, there's a section in the forum that's only available to clickmillionaires.com members where you can offer your services to each other. We've had a lot of success lately with one of our members looking out to start her own business online, and actually she's found a bunch of great new customers right here in our Click Millionaires membership. So if you have a special offer, a deal, or a service, look under the classifieds and special deals section in the forum at clickmillionaires.com. Lastly, if you've got a website that you'd like reviewed, send me an email. We're ready to do another community-based website tune-up community clinic, and we can get free reviews from our Click Millionaires members from all over the world to help you tune up your website and accelerate your success online. That's what we're all about here at clickmillionaires.com, accelerating your success online. I'm Scott Fox. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again real soon online and in the forum at clickmillionaires.com.